Tired of waiting for your paycheck in the mail? Let's get you set up with direct deposit on Paylocity in just a few easy steps. First, unlock your phone and open the Paylocity mobile app. You may be prompted to use Face or Fingerprint ID. Do so to proceed. Next, tap on the Pay option located on the bottom navigation bar. This will bring you to your pay-related information. Now, look for and select Direct Deposit. If you don't see it right away, scroll down the page. Then click on the Add Account button. This will take you to the screen where you will input your banking information. Now enter your bank's routing number, your account number, and select the account type, either checking or savings. Make sure this information is accurate to avoid any delays. After you have confirmed all the information is correct, agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Then tap the Submit or Confirm button. That's it, direct deposit is now set up. You should receive a confirmation message on your screen and via email from Paylocity. Your next paycheck will be directly deposited into your account.